beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're going to be doing this little look here. I guess it's a distressed lock look. That's what I'm going to go with. That's what I was going for. Really cute. Like the way that it turned out. It was super simple. So if you have no hair experience and you just want to get you something really, really nice and fun and fast, do it, girl, do it. Stick around if you like to see how I got this look. Video starts now. Just starting off with showing you my braid pattern. I actually had my mom braid my hair this time. I usually do it myself, but I just had her do it. It was much easier. And I have a total of about 33 to 34 braids. First with these soft locks, the ones that are already like this. Two of these packs. And I've actually only used one. This is the one that I'm not gonna need. I haven't opened this one. Then to make it distressed, I go over that with this hair here, which is this crochet passion twist hair. I'm also using, I usually use jam, but I forgot to get some more. So I've just been using this lock gel. So the first thing we're gonna crochet in is the 20-inch soft lock. It has this hole at the top for the crochet needle, and I just take it and I make that hole a little bigger so that I can stick the end of the soft lock through it to pull it and tighten. Next thing I'm going to do is unravel this passion twist hair. So I did notice that I was actually getting a passion twist hair when buying it. I thought I was just getting regular curly crochet hair. So that took me a little bit of extra time to do. Not that it was really that much of a hassle, but just keeping that in mind if you do decide to get this exact hair. But I definitely would recommend getting like a bohemian wave or deep wave, a natural curly, anything like that. It's going to be less maintenance that you'll have to put in. So once I have that all unraveled, I'm just going to start frizzing out the hair. So I'm going to take my fingers and I'm going to run them through the curls, detangling them pretty much. And you're going to want to do this no matter what hair you have to give it that frizzier look. The next step is crocheting that hair through that same braid that we crocheted the soft lock through. And once I do this, I'm going to keep one end of it short and I'm going to have one end of it longer than the other. I use the longer end to measure up with the soft lock. I try to go make sure the hair is past it just a little bit. And then the smaller end of the crochet hair, I'm just pretty much using that to cover up my real hair. Okay, so we have that soft lock, and then we have my real hair, and then we have the short end of the crochet hair and the long end of the crochet hair. This is what we're working with. So I'm first going to take the shorter end of the crochet hair and I'm going to wrap that around my real hair to disguise my hair. And then once I do that, I'm going to put it together with the soft lock. I put those two together and then I'm going to be using the longer piece of the crochet hair to wrap around those two. This is how we're creating that lock. At the root of the hair, when you're wrapping it, you want to make sure you keep it really tight. You're going to disguise the front part of it as well as that little knot that you'll have from all the hair being together. And this is what's going to keep that lock locked in your hair, so to speak. And then you're going to do that about 3 or 4 times before you go down the hair. So once I go down the hair is when I'm going to create the distressed look. And you'll see how I do that is literally intercepting my finger through the wrapping hair. And then once I come back around to where I started, I just let my finger out. And you can do this as many times as you want to. I kind of do it every 2 wraps or so. But that is what's going to give you that distressed look. I keep wrapping until I get to the bottom of the hair. And then once I do that, I just palm roll it to seal it all in. Then I take some of my lock gel, or if you're using Gem or Eco Style or anything like that, and I palm roll it again. And then I kind of just pull down on the lock, and this just is going to separate it a little bit so it's not so stiff. My shirt right now has all types of stains on it. Like, who am I? A child. Alright guys, I'm attempting to film this while my battery is currently dying, so I'm going to talk really fast, okay? Alright, so this is the finished product, guys. It came out super cute, especially after the next day, once I got to let it, you know, rejuvenate overnight. So it came out super cute. This is the next day and what it looks like. I didn't add any hot water or anything. I pretty much just slept on it because I already liked the way it looked. So yeah, I'll show you the back. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.